Oh, good. What's going on, y'all? I'm about to do a little video, show how to wire up a 454B unit. This is a carrier here. And just a little low voltage wiring. This is the outside wire right here. Shoot, if everything get out of the way. This is the outside. This is the wire to the thermostat. And this is our float switch. Ooh. And then these are all just the unit wires. Now with the 454, there's a sensor thing that's on the coil, so it makes it a little confusing, but it's real easy. Just want to show y'all how to do it. First, I like to wire up my float switch. You know you have to break R, so this says R to the thermostat. We're gonna put it to our float switch to break R. Wire them together. And then, get everything out of the way. We'll put our other one to both of our reds. So that way, when power comes off of the unit R, it goes through our float switch, out of our float switch, and into our thermostat in the outside unit. So that way, if it opens up, it can cut everything off. There you go. Push them out of the way a little bit. And they're all labeled too, by the way. You can read it. Like this says common to thermostat, but there's only one common, of course. We put all our commons together. Common from the thermostat and the outside unit goes to it. There's that. And then our O's. O doesn't really matter. It doesn't have one. Well, it matters, of course. Let me not say that, but there's not a thing for the sensor for the O's, so you just put both of them together. And then our Y's, well, let's do our green first. Hook up the green from the unit to our green. We'll do the Y's last. That's where everybody gets messed up. And then there's one white. It says white to the thermostat, but we put all our whites together from the unit inside and outdoor unit to this one. And now, last step. Oh! It's the Y's. There's two of them. The one that's striped always is the outdoor unit one. And you can read it, of course. Y to thermostat right here, and then Y to the outdoor. So just remember which wire is which. This is our outdoor wire, so we're going to put it to our outdoor unit wire. It's real simple, but especially when it's your first time seeing it, does look a little intimidating. Oh shoot. And then thermostat Y. And there you go. All good now. It's all wired up. And that's how you do it. Now, I will say I still have a little more. As you see, you have a transformer in there. So we have a zone board that we have to do for this unit. And I can show how to wire them too if you need help. But other than that, that's how you do that. Oh, good. Can you even see me? Oh, shoot now. Oh, shoot now. All good. See y'all later.